Welcome everyone to Microsoft Access Database tutorials with me Ahmed, and here is our inventory database. This time we will learn one more detail we're talking about, and this one is gonna be checking our product amount before sale. So here in our sale order, we can select any order here on the list from edit. And now when we add one more product from here, we need to make sure that the amount we will apply here is available on our product on the program. If this amount is larger than the total available amount, then I don't want this new line to be applied. I want the program to cancel this one. So for this one, for now, it's not gonna cancel anything even if I add a very large amount here, like 200, like this, and save. Press save. It's gonna work, no problem here. But as I know, this amount is very large and it's not available, so I want the program to check if this amount is too large, is larger than the whole available amount. I need this one to be cancelled automatically before saving. So for now, let's delete this one and start our new method for this one. So in the beginning, I will close all forms here, and now I need to create two more queries for this one. The first one is gonna be for showing all details of my order detail. So I will go to create query design. I need to see the order with order detail. Okay, here I need to see the product and product ID. Let's see what we need here. So I need order detail ID, order ID, product, and amount. I need these values. So when we select a specific product ID, I need to calculate the amount for that one product. So I need the product and the amount for that product. Also, I need to deal with the order ID. It's important for us. So now, and order detail ID. Okay, it looks like we just need to deal with one table here. So this one is not required for now, so I'm gonna delete this one. It's like this. So it's enough for our query. I'm gonna call it query. Let's name it as query A, and the last one was 5, so it's gonna be 6. Product amount single for each one. Product amount single. So I will close this one, then reopen it. Here I need to add some new fields here as a calculated field. The first one, so I have what we have here. We have two types of orders. The first one is purchase order, and the second one is sale order. Let's see here. Purchase order, sale order. Yeah, it's called purchase, and the other one It's called sale. Okay. So now according to this value, purchase or sale, I will add a sign for that amount. So if it's this one is purchase, I will make the amount plus, because I am adding new amounts to my product. But if it's sale, I will make it a negative sign to decrease the total amount. So here I need to see that field of order type, and that one is exists on the other table, which is order table. So we need to add that table again, order. Okay, just like this. Now we have two tables, as you see here. So I will just add the order type, this one. So here I have a value. According to this value, I will assign assign for this amount. So I will add new expression here from build, right click and select build. Here I will, and before this I can't see the order type on the list here because it's not our query is not saved after adding that new field. So we need to close everything and save our query, close it and reopen it again like this. Let's try one more time. Now we got that new field here on our list. So I will add the next the following expression. If what? If order type, if this one equals to purchase, it would be inside double quotes, purchase, then I will add the value for that type. For purchase type, it's gonna be +1 multiplied by the total amount here. So we already have an amount, so we need just to change its sign. It's gonna be 1 multiplied by the amount, and multiplying by 1 is just nothing, it's not effective, so we don't need that at all this time. Okay, on the other side, if this one is not purchase, it's gonna be sale. So for fourth part, I will move on to the sale type. So I will apply what's gonna be available for sale type, and this one is gonna be -1 multiplied by the amount, just like this. Okay, let's close this one, hit OK and see what's gonna happen. We have expression 1 here. Save our query and run it. Now as you see, this is my amount. If this one is purchase, it's gonna be positive, and if it's sale, it's gonna be negative, just like this. And after this, on our next query, I will calculate the total for all lines here which have the same product ID. So for example, I have product 1 here and product 1 here 3 times. I will add these lines together. So it's gonna be 50 minus 14, which means 36 minus 15 again, 26, and 5, it's gonna be 21. Okay, I will try this one. Now let's go back again, just change the name for expression 1, this one. I will add a good name to remember this field. So it's gonna be, it could be what we're gonna call it, remain. It's gonna be remain amount. Yeah, it's gonna be remain amount, just like this. Now we will add one more query here. Actually, these two queries is gonna be related to each other, so I can relate their names as well. For example, I will make this one rename 6A. Then the next one, for the next one, I can copy the name here. Then I will go for create new query. From here I will go to queries. It's gonna be related to the last query we have created. This one, double click on that one. I will add all fields here because I need them. Now I will make it total from above there. So we have order ID, order detail ID. I don't need this one. Order ID. It's gonna show me all order details. Let's see if we need this or not. Actually, for a reason here, I don't prefer to use this second query, and instead of this one I will apply some codes, VBA codes, to work on the first query only. So let's cancel this one. No. So this one is enough for now. So let's move on to our VBA code. That code's gonna be on our sale order detail 4. Here on this one, it's gonna be before update, because when I try to enter one more row here, I need to check that value before saving the new record. So it's gonna be before update. So here, before update, I will select this one, code builder. Here, let's start our code. So now here I need 3 variables. The first one is gonna be the total amount remain for the current product ID. So I will declare some variables here. The first one for the amount, and the amount here is this value, like this value is just a number, a long integer number. So I will name it as what? As available amount. So here I will make it dem available amount as integer. It's like this. One more thing, I need to declare the name of the current product. So it's gonna be dem current product, or I will make it just product name. Yeah, product name. As it's gonna be just text, so it's gonna be string. And the last one would be the current value on our field on that form. So it's gonna be this value. So I can use it directly as the name of that field of the text box here, which is amount, or I can assign a variable and deal with it. Let's go make one more variable here. It's gonna be dim. It's gonna be the name. I will make it, let's say it's gonna be purchase amount. No, it's gonna be sale amount. Sale amount. Yeah, as integer. So now we have three variables. To start our rule, we need first to add values for these variables. So let's start in order. The first thing we have it's gonna be available amount. So for this one, I will calculate the total, the summation of that remain amount for the current product ID. So I need to refer to this one query. I will take its name from here, rename, Control C. Yeah. So available amount equals the sum the field name, I don't remember it now exactly, so I will just leave double quotes here with squared brackets for that one, but I have the query name copied already, so I will use this one here. I have the query name and the filter, which is where criteria here. It's gonna be product ID. So this product ID what equals to ampersand sign here, then the product ID is gonna be equal to the current product ID on our form, which is this one. So I will refer to this combo box. It's gonna be me product ID value, just like this. So here I need the field name on that query. Let's see that one. So it's gonna be which one? The amount, the remain amount. The remain amount is this one. So everything is okay here. But there is one more detail I need to add for this line here, which is selecting or defining the value of order detail ID. Why? Because on our list here, maybe I am dealing with this line which is saved already, and I just need to change the amount. For this case, this amount here is gonna be calculated into that total. It's gonna be included with the available amount. So this thing is gonna cause some error for our calculations. So I need to calculate summation for all remain amount except for the amount of the current row if it's already saved. So if that happen, I want to exclude that value from here. So for this one, I will add one more criteria here. So I will add ampersand for more criteria. So here I will open double quotes again. It's gonna be space, then and, then it's gonna be like this one. So here I am talking about product ID. For example, I can copy the name with squared brackets, paste it here. I will just change the name. So instead of talking about the product ID, it's gonna be order detail ID. Order detail ID, this one. So I will delete this one. What happened here? Not equal. So it's gonna be larger, smaller, larger, not equal to what? Then after the double quotes, I will go outside these quotes and add one more ampersand sign. Then I will make it here, add one field on our form, which is gonna be, which one? It's gonna be order detail ID, this one. So it's gonna be me order detail ID, yeah, this one. So it's gonna be different from the current order detail ID, just like this. So here we have two criteria. The product ID is equal to the current product ID, and the order detail ID is not equal to the current order detail ID. Yeah, just like this. Okay, this is our first variable, and it's okay. Now we need to get the second variable, which is the product name. This product name is actually existed on our product ID combo box as a second column. You can see it from data row source here. If I open from here, I will see it as second column here. So I can select second column from that combo box directly instead of looking up on another query. So it's gonna be easier this way. Okay, here product name is gonna be equals to me product ID column. It's gonna be the second column. So the first column is called its number is 0. So the second one is gonna be +1, which means 1. I will take just the value from it, just like this. Then we have the sale amount. We need to add the value for this variable as well. So it's gonna be this one is gonna be located on our current form, which is the amount here. So it will be directly equal to the value here of the amount text box. So it's gonna be sale amount equals me amount dot value, just like this. So now we have applied all values for our variables, so we can deal with it directly from now. So let's move on to our main code, which is gonna be just a rule of a function. So let's start here. So here I need to check this sale amount and compare it with the available amount. So I will state it like this: if sale amount is equal to the available amount, then this time it means I want to sell all the available amount. So after this record, I will run out of all amount for that products. So nothing would be left after that record. So in this case, I can apply that sale, but I can make an alert to the user that I don't have any more amounts for that specific product. So I will just add a message for the user here, which is gonna be message box the stock has run out for that current product name. So I already have the product name here as a variable, so I can use it here with my message box. So this part is a string, so I will put the string also with a distance here, a space here. After this, I will add the product name, just like this. It's gonna be product name. Yeah, so this is our message box to just notify the user that we don't have any more amount for that specific product. So after this one, I will check again for another case, which is gonna be else if sale amount is larger than the available amount. Sale amount is larger than available amount, then this time first we will show a message to the user to inform him, and this one would inform the user that that required amount is not available, so he can't apply that current record. So it's gonna be message box here. We will tell him the next. The stock has what? Has just the following amount, which is the available amount here. Has ampersand sign. Available amount is gonna be the name of that variable. Available amount available amount. So here I will add items of what? Of the next of the current product name, which is that the other variable product name. Ampersand sign again, and we'll add the product name variable, just like this. Product name. Okay. Now we can add one more detail for that message box as an alert for the sound. So it's gonna be critical. No, let's make it. Which one we will use? Yeah, I will make this one critical. And the title of that message box would be stock alert. Also, let's edit the other one, and this time it's gonna be VB exclamation, and the title again it's gonna be stock alert. Yeah, just like this. What happened here? Yeah, the first quotation mark should be where. Yeah, we don't need this one. Yeah, it's okay right now. Message box, this one is okay, and the second one here. This time I need to cancel the current record. So after the message box, I will add one more line here for canceling the current record, which is gonna be do command cancel event, because I have the cancel up here inside the before update event. So I will apply this one, cancel event. Okay, just like this. And after this we will end our if function, because it's okay right now. So we have two cases here. The first one, if we are applying all the available amounts, we will just inform the user that the stock has run out exactly after that one record. And the other case is gonna be if we try to sell more amount than the whole available amount. This time we will inform the user that that amount is not available and cancel that current record for sale. Okay, now let's try our code and run it and see if it's gonna work or not. Let's check it again. We are defining our variables up here, then assign values for them, then applying our code, our rule here as a function. We started if and ended if, and we have the second case as if. Okay, everything looks okay here. So let's try our code. Now we'll open navigation, sale order here, edit any one of them. For example, we have product 3, product 1. Let's try with product 2. I will try a very large value to check that unavailable amount. case. For example, 500. Let's try this one. Save. It's not saving, but I have a debug error here. Let's see what happened. Try to edit this one. Product name is not working. The product name, me product ID colon 1. Maybe I just don't need this value. Why? Because when I select a column, it's already just a value, so I will just delete this value option from here. I will try one more time. Yeah, it worked this time, and it says the stock has 5 items of product 2. I need to close this one. Okay, let's try again. Sale order, edit, close, edit. Okay, this one. Let's try again. Product 2, 500, save, and it says the stock has 5 items of the current product, which is product 2. So if I want to sell for that product 2, I just can apply a maximum 5 items this time. Again, I have button save. I am saving, so it's not gonna save this time. I have clicked on the save button, so it tried to save the current record, but before update forced our record not to be saved. So this time the save button had a problem here. So for this one, we can just ignore that error by adding one more line up here on error, resume next, because this means sometime we won't save the current record because it's not available, it doesn't have available value. Okay, let's try again. Edit, product 2, 500 again. It's not working. Okay, but have saved the value. No, it's not saved. Okay, so it's not working here because this value is very large. I only can apply 5. Let's try 5. It's working, but it says the stock has run out for product 2. If I hit OK, this time it's gonna save the record. Okay, it's saving, so it has saved the record and it's working fine. So now if I go back again and try to edit the record one more time after this, if I try to apply a maximum value, let's again try 500. Let's see what's gonna happen. It says again the stock has 5 items of product 2, but I have already applied 5 items. Why it's still saying we have 5 items? Because on our code I have tilted that if I am dealing with a current with a specific record here, I don't want the current amount here to be added to that summation, because I want to ignore this value and try one more time as if I don't already have such a record. So it will it will calculate all values except for the current value here, and the current value here is 5, so I still have 5 items of that current record which is not applied yet. Now if I hit escape, it's gonna go back again to the previous saved value, which is 5. Actually, some people, when get such an error, try to close the form without saving the right value here, just like this, and this time it's not gonna work. I can't go back again. Why? Because I need to save this record with an available value. So I need to hit escape button to save this, to undo changes on that record, just like this, hitting escape button. Or maybe I can make it automatically to undo changes if something happens like this, because some people forget to hit escape button here in this way. Here he will try to exit that form without editing errors here, just like this, so it's not gonna work. So for such a case, maybe he don't know how that he is required to hit the escape button to undo changes, so I will do it for him on our code. So here, after cancel event, I will make me undo. This one just for helping unexperienced users, just like this. Let's go back again. So now if I try 500 save, you see what's gonna happen. It's now under updating. So if I hit OK, it came back again to the correct value, the correct previous value. So now I can exit the form directly without any problem. So this time it's gonna be easier for new users, just like this. Okay guys, it's all for now. I hope you understand all details we have applied this time, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. I will try my best to help you. So see you next time.